Welcome to Marmaris, one of Turkey's most beautiful coastal towns. Today, we'll be taking you on a journey to Cleopatra Island, one of the most stunning destinations in the Aegean Sea. This is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting Marmaris. The boat trip to Cleopatra Island is a must-do activity in Marmaris. The island is located about 20 kilometers from Marmaris and is famous for its stunning scenery, crystal clear waters, and of course, its ancient history. The island was named after Queen Cleopatra of Egypt, who is said to have swum in its waters with her lover, Mark Antony. As we approach the island, you can see why it's called Cleopatra Island. The island's shape resembles that of a heart, and it's surrounded by turquoise waters that are simply breathtaking. Once we arrive, you'll have plenty of time to explore and relax on the island's sandy beaches. As you explore the island, you'll notice that the sand is not like any other sand you've ever seen. It's said to have been brought from Egypt by Cleopatra herself, and it's incredibly fine and soft. Many people come here to enjoy the sand, sunbathe, swim, and take in the island's natural beauty. If you're feeling adventurous, you can explore the island's ancient ruins, including the Roman baths and a small amphitheater. These ruins are a testament to the island's rich history and are a must-see for anyone who loves history. After exploring the ruins, it's time to head back to the boat and enjoy some delicious local cuisine. We'll be serving you a traditional Turkish lunch on board, so you can refuel after your morning of exploring. Once we finish lunch, we'll make a few stops at some of the island's other beaches and coves, where you can swim, snorkel, or simply relax on the boat and take in the scenery. These hidden gems are some of the island's best-kept secrets, and we're excited to share them with you. As the day comes to an end, we'll head back to Marmaris, where we'll say our goodbyes and reflect on the memories we've made today. If you're interested in booking this tour, or any of our other excursions in Marmaris, be sure to visit our website, happytoursturkey.com. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey to Cleopatra Island. We hope to see you soon on one of our many excursions in Marmaris. Don't forget to